Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi publicly acknowledged for the first time that recent US airstrikes caused serious damage to the country's nuclear infrastructure, directly contradicting Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's earlier claims that the attacks had minimal impact. In a rare and candid interview broadcast on Iranian state television, Araghchi admitted the level of damage is high and it is serious damage, referencing assessments made in the aftermath of coordinated strikes by the United States and Israel. While Ayatollah Khamenei had previously downplayed the impact of the attacks, insisting that the Americans failed to achieve anything significant in their attack on nuclear facilities, independent evaluations by Iran, Israel, and the United States all point to extensive destruction across multiple nuclear sites. The International Atomic Energy Agency, which is IAEA, weighed in on Tuesday, with Director General Rafael Grossi confirming extensive damage at several nuclear sites in Iran, including its uranium conversion and enrichment facilities. According to the IAEA, inspectors observed widespread structural damage, particularly at facilities linked to Iran's nuclear fuel cycle. The strikes, part of the covertly coordinated Operation Midnight Hammer, came amid heightened tensions. Despite the damage and regional instability, Iran's retaliatory strike on the American Al-Udeid Air Base in Qatar was widely seen as symbolic. Khamenei described the attack as a heavy slap to the US face, though President Donald Trump dismissed it as a very weak response, claiming that Iran had even given advance warning of the attack, minimizing potential American casualties. Araghchi said that the American strikes made it more complicated and more difficult to restart dialogue, but he stopped short of fully closing the door on future engagements. Nonetheless, US President Donald Trump offered a strikingly casual and contradictory statement during a press conference expressing both optimism and indifference regarding a potential agreement. As of now, there is no confirmed date or framework for resuming nuclear negotiations, despite Trump's ambiguous remarks. With Iran's nuclear program heavily damaged and domestic narratives diverging, Tehran now faces a complex choice: return to diplomacy under fire or retreat further into defiance.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.